Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a bracelet with some dangles hanging off of the chain. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is put together our bracelet. So I've already got the chain cut, and then we're just going to want to attach the toggle clasp to each side. So I have 4mm jump rings right here, and I'm just going to take a jump ring and put a plier on one side and another pair of pliers on the other side and just twist that open. And then I'm going to attach the bar and I'm going to attach the chain. And then I'm just going to take my pliers back on the other side and just twist that back into place. And just for safety and because I think it looks better, I'm going to do 2 jump rings on either side. So we're just going to open this one up. And then twist that jump ring back into place. And for the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Twist it into place. Open up the jump ring, attach the chain and the clasp, and then twist it back together. And then you've got your bracelet made. And then from here, you can just attach the dangles. So you can really attach it anywhere that you would like to. I'm going to attach it right here to the loop of the ring on the toggle, but you could attach them all the way around and have more of a charm bracelet. You could attach it over here, wherever you'd like, but I'm going to attach it right here today. So I'm going to start with this pearl. I'm just going to string it, and this is a ball pin, and I really like that they have the ball on the bottom. I think it adds a nice touch to it. And I'm going to bend it away to create about a 90-degree angle right there. Then I'm going to put my round nose pliers at the top of that and bend that around, making a little loop. And then while that's open, I'm going to want to go ahead and attach that to my loop here. And then I'm just going to hold this right here and coil this back around. And I'm going to take my cutters and cut off the excess wire. And then at this point, you could just add just the coin pearl if you wanted to and keep it nice and simple. But I'm going to go ahead and add this moon and star. So it's the same thing. I'm going to put my pliers right up against that bead, bend it away at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers right at the top and bend that wire around. And I'm going to attach this to my loop. I'm going to hold this right here and coil this back around a few times. And cut off the excess wire. So these head pins, ball pins, are stainless, and they're much harder to use than some other metals because they're stainless. But I like the non-tarnish factor about them, so I'm willing to work a little bit harder for it so that it doesn't turn over time. And we're just going to attach this last one right here. And cut off the excess wire. And that's it, your bracelet is complete. tangled up. There you go. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.